how to download and install Viber app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. The Viber app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So for that, first of all, you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. After opening up, in the search bar, you have to tap and search for Viber app. And here I have already installed the Viber app, that's why there is open option. If you haven't installed, then there will be install option instead of open. Then you have to simply tap on that and the Viber app will be installed on your device. After installing, you have to create your account on your Viber, and by doing that you'll be able to communicate with the person worldwide easily. Viber is safe and secure where you can chat and call with the person. The only thing you need to have to use Viber is your internet connection, or if you are using cellular data, then you have to make sure that your cellular data is working. You can also explore the other famous pages like about shares and other news channels, and you can join over there and you can get the free information every day. And by following this simple step, you can download and install Viber app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.